Okay, so I just switched this up a little bit. Just got done cooking some food for my cannabis page, and now we're actually about to do some photos of it. Setup is where I use 95% of my work now. Because once you understand where the light is, then everything else is mostly just bouncing light around. This should be okay. Okay, yeah. So this Fastbox right here, Angler Fastbox, 24 inches. My light that I'm using is my Godox V1, specifically for my Sony. I love this thing. I can 100% guarantee it now. It's great. I've never actually dropped my flash before. I dropped this thing 3 times. Hopefully, whatever is necessary, you know, it's fine, but it's been working great, and it's fairly cheap. I think it's like $350. Profolio has something very similar. It's the same wattage for the light, but theirs is like, you know, $1,500 or whatever. I don't even know what's that price. But I even saw like an article that they tried to stop Godox from making it because it's pretty much exactly the same thing. So take a look at that. I don't have any affiliates for that, but one day I will. But yeah, so I'm using my light here, and the camera that I continue to use. My daughter is moving my light around. The camera that I continue to use is my Sony A7III, like I said. My favorite lens, and I know how this is going to sound to people that don't have it, but right now my lens that I'm using is my 24 to 70 2.8. It is the holy grail. 24 to 70. Like when getting into photography, it's like, man, if I could just get this like one lens, like it's the lens that you like want because you don't have to take it off too much. But I can always show you how to do this no matter what lens, focal length, f-stop. You can always get some very amazing photos once you start to see light. Take some time, but just stick with me. We'll definitely help you out around that. So I'm gonna go take Sage, go. Right. Got the memory card in here, 128. So I'm going for a very shallow depth of field here, which basically means I don't want anything blurred in the background. All right, shallow depth of field. I want it all blurred in the background. It's not pretty. I don't want to change anything. I just want to get the shot. The focus really is probably going to be a overhead shot here. It looks pretty. The focus is really about the dish here. So while my daughter is distracted, again, hopefully this thing is recording still. Yep. Move this over here because that's going to be what I'm shooting. And yeah, all right, so we're not going to change any settings in my camera. We're just going to work through this together. The reason I have this close is because the closer this is, the softer the light's going to be.